guys, good afternoon guys. Nag-shopping kami ni Daddy. Daddy, can you show your plastic bag? Sa 7-Eleven kasama ko si Linda, si Amera. First time kami nag-shopping sa 7-Eleven. Ito yung dala ko. You first? Because I take video. Linda, hintayin mo si David. Baka yan na. Ayan, first time siya nakasumakay ng tricycle. Oh. Daddy, pauwi na kami. Nainitan si Daddy David. Nainitan. Ito na yung dala namin. Apple, grapes, at saka notebook. Asian pears, tomato, toothbrush, ketchup. Itong notebook na to. Itong notebook na to, yan. Yan ang notebook na yan. Sulatanan ko daw yan sa araw-araw kong gagawin. I write what is my plan every day. Daddy, look at the t-shirt of my Daddy David. Phoenix, Arizona. Right.
Goodies. Fruits, vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables.
All the good stuff.
Yeah. She carried the plastic. Philippines, unlike America, have a plastic. Okay.
When we're leaning back, we're making them work extra. Right?
Right then. See? Daddy, look.
Clean shaven. I haven't been clean shaven in about 18 years. I always have hair.
Tricycle small. That's called tricycle. This Philippines called tricycle. This small. Ayan ang permit sa tricycle. USB Kuda. Number 30. Bicycle siya na may tricycle. Bicycle with like this. With cover.
These things registered?
Yeah, registered lang.
We have to